Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on a 2020 Outback. We purchased it. The front end was damaged. We went in and repaired the front end already, and the car's got to go to paint. So I'm going to show you guys today how to remove the mirror, the belt molding, door handle, and this cladding. Pretty easy actually. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and remove the door panel, and it's gonna be the same for like the premium base model, all the models of Outback this year. This is pretty much the same way to take off the panels. So there's one screw in here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a little, this guy right here. Give it a little flat pick. You can pull it out. This needs to come out. And then behind the door handle right here, there's another plastic. You stick your little clip remover, this thing pops out, this guy. And there's another screw right there. So I believe those are the only two screws, and there's something here, it looks like. Let's see what's in here. Where'd that go? Oh. Actually, there's nothing there. Strange. Okay. So, it's just a matter of holding. Clips hold on there. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. And then lift up. And then in here, you got these blue one and the pink one. These little catch thingies. Move those out of the way. And then obviously you got some plugs that I can't see. Let me get this bottom guy out, and down in here, if you can see, push the tab. There's one, and there's two. So look at here. It's held on by these. It's kind of rough because I think the car is too new, but that's how the door comes off. The top slides in to the valley here. So you pull from the top, you're gonna break this. And it's just two screws. So I'll put this inside the car. Thanks for watching the channel today. Subscribe to our channel. I like the comments. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know. Stay COVID free and have a great day. They're just ripping it over there, huh? Yeah.